guys, welcome to this video. Today we are going to talk about secret. So today on this video we focus on secret. So what is a secret? What's Kubernetes secret? So Kubernetes secret is actually an API object that Kubernetes use to consume secret. Our secret here is actually what is called, we can consider to be sensitive information, right? So Kubernetes, if you have a sensitive information, you can use Kubernetes secret to actually store that sensitive information, like for example, username, password. So you will use Kubernetes to actually go ahead and store that in forms of secret. So you will use Kubernetes secret. And one particular thing is that we store Kubernetes secret in forms of key pair, right? And that's base 64 encoded. So like you see here, this is a key pair base 64 encoded. So this is base 64 format, and as you guys can see, it is base 64 encoded. So that's how we store secret actually in Kubernetes. So if you have a secret, let's say you have a database and you want to store the username, the password, for example, like let's say connection string of that database, you can actually use secret to do that. So that Kubernetes will actually inject those secrets into your pod database. So let's try to go to the terminal and demonstrate this. So I'm here in the terminal. So I have a file which contains already the secret. So let me show you guys the secret. This is the secret here that we call it beginner secret, for example. And actually, we are going to go ahead and run this. Let's see what happened. So I already applied that file. So the file is here. If I say cat, for example, this.yaml, you will find out that that file is already there. It's a big file with everything that I showed you guys earlier. Let's actually create a little gap here, cut that file. It's deployment. So let's go at the beginning. Anyway, the file is here. So then I already applied that. If I say kubectl here get secret, and K stand for kubectl, I set an alias. You will see that secret here called beginner secret. Now, if I say kubectl describe secret, I call the secret name, you will see that secret here. Of course, it's not going to show you what is inside the secret. If you want to see what is inside the secret, instead of describe, we are going to say get. We show us only that secret. Then if we say -o YAML, it will actually show us the secret here. As you guys can see, in forms of base 64 here. Now, if I can decode this, I can copy this. I'll say, for example, echo, I'll pass that. Then if I pipe base 64-d, Kubernetes will go ahead and decode that, right? It is called password root. So if let me put an empty line there. As you can see, that's a secret. It's called, when I decode this, it gives me this called password. So Kubernetes store those secrets in some of the base 64. That's beautiful. It doesn't show you the secret. It shows you this encrypted in base 64, and it also store that in forms of key pair, for example, right? So you say this is the key and this is the value, right? Key value pair. So you store it like that. So that's what is called Kubernetes secret. So Kubernetes consume sensitive data in forms of secrets. So if you have sensitive data and you want to consume that with Kubernetes, you will have to use secret. I hope you like the video. See you guys on the next video.